Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So for me, home screen is already open and visible. Once that is the case for you, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And that's it. It gives you this pop-up right here with scroll and share options, and after a moment it will disappear. Now that's one of the ways you can capture a screenshot. There's, I think, a second one. Yep, with a 3-finger swipe down on the screen, which acts the same way. Now, one more thing that I want to show is if you might experience this. Let's see if that is the case. Yep, that is. So if you open up some garbage application like Netflix, for instance, which, mind you, I'm not signed in, so I haven't agreed to any terms of service. Therefore, they should not be able to do anything on my device, but yet Netflix just doesn't care about anything, or specifically your privacy or anything like that, or what supposedly is your device, and they just do whatever the heck they want on it. So as you can see, you might experience some apps that if you try to capture a screenshot, it just gives you this: can't take a screenshot due to what? To a PP restrictions. Yeah, I mean, Netflix is waving their PP in front and just showing you that you have zero control over here because they have a PP, basically. Fantastic. Now, like I said, keep in mind, we're not signed in, we haven't agreed to do anything, but yet Netflix can still do it. Now, this isn't the only application that will be able to do this. There are other ones. For instance, bank applications also block screenshots for some stupid reason. The reason this is happening is because it is part of something else, so it's trying to protect users. So for instance, if you would have some kind of application that could screen capture your phone just to spy on you, screen capture doesn't really entail capturing a screenshot. It captures the entire screen, might be doing it permanently all the time, like a video recording, or just a single screen shot like I just did. But still, the phone doesn't really differentiate it, so it blocks both of them for your privacy. This is something that applications can implement, though applications that use this most of the time don't have any business using it. In any case, now going back to our screenshot, we can find the captured screenshot that we actually managed to capture in our Photos application. And in here, you should, under Albums, have a screenshot album. And as you can see, there's the album with screenshots and several screenshots that I have captured over the time. Now the screenshot should also appear under Photos as well, but let's be honest, later on, if you want to just look for screenshots down the line, it will be much simpler to do it through Albums, where it will only show you screenshots and nothing else, while Photos will show you everything: photos, videos, pictures, and all that stuff. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.